the Honorable Barangay Chairman of New Cabalan, I move to defer considerations since they were not able to complete the requirement, specifically the barangay resolution allowing the company to put up an antenna or cell site at their barangay. So moving for its deferment.
Motion to lay on the table, draft resolution 2010-R043. Objections, the motion is approved.
Second reading, draft resolution number 2010-R-044, a resolution approving the application of Digital Telecommunications Inc. Sun Cellular for the installation and operation of cell site GSM antenna at Barangay Barreto. Proceeding, Madam Chair, I have here the package for send application, which consists first of their application, their letter of intent from address to the City Council and the City Mayor. Also here is their payment for application for cell site installation. Original receipt number 5366409 in the amount of 30,000 pesos, which they have already paid. We also have the Barangay Resolution number 8, series of 2010, a resolution granting the request of Digital Mobile Philippines, Sun Cellular, to allow installation of its cell site antenna at Geronimo Street, Barreto, Quezon City. This is a barangay resolution of Barreto Barangay Council, signed by their Honorable Barangay Captain and Presiding Officer, and their Barangay Secretary, Kagawad Avila, Napuli, Albarda, Escobar, Dabu, and Elida. We also have their neighbors' consent, signed by the people in the vicinity of the proposed cell site, signed by Mr. Gregorio Ramsey Manligmot, Elida Amarille, Peñado, Limhar, Sumandal, De Rosario, Ramsey, Navarez, Odias, and Camba, conducted June 6 by the site acquisition officer Jocelyn Enlariga. Also, they have their authorization to from the owner of the lot to construct, and also the draft contract, which will be finalized once the City Council approves the construction or approves the application. So, also part of the package are the plans, which were all submitted and studied by our City Engineering and City Planning Office.